All right, we are doing a quick and easy American style hot dog. Now, when I was coming up with the title of the video, the All American Hot Dog, I didn't even really know that there was a company called the All American Hot Dog. I saw on Google, I think they like sell them out of carts or whatever. But oddly enough, the ingredients that they put are really, really close to the ones I put. I'm only adding two more. So what I meant by all American hot dog, just like hot dog American style, I guess the video is mostly for people outside of the US who want to know how to make an American style hot dog. So that's what we're covering here. All right, now the brand really doesn't matter. You can use whatever you want. Right now I'm using Ballpark buns with the matching Ballpark Angus. But as I said, you can use whatever, it doesn't matter. So for the cooking part, in my opinion, there's three good ways. Either toaster, what I'm going to do today. The other way, in a frying pan. You can just kind of, roll it around in a frying pan with a little bit of oil. And then the best way is barbecue. So those three ways are, in my opinion. Sometimes people boil them in water. That's okay, but in my opinion, not the best way. So right now we're putting this in the toaster. All right, so we got that in there at 420. So the time right now, 10 minutes, I just put it in. So we're gonna wait until that says 3 minutes left. All right, so while that is cooking, back to the ingredients here. So according to the online thing I saw, ketchup, mustard, relish, and onion. And so all I really added was a little bit of mayonnaise, because I love mayonnaise in the hot dog, and tomatoes, but I don't put too much tomatoes. Onion dominated with just a little bit of tomatoes for like zest and flavor. Slightly open this up so it gets hot on the inside too. For the last 3 minutes, we do the bread with the hot dog. All right, now, in reality, you can put whatever ingredients, whatever toppings you want. But as I said, here's an example. Like, I don't really like relish. I've always hated relish, but I'm putting a little bit of relish because it's an all-American hot dog. So it's got to have all the proper ingredients. Mayonnaise is kind of controversial because a lot of people say, you don't put mayonnaise in a hot dog. I say it makes the hot dog taste better. So why not? We put mayonnaise. The tomatoes just make it a little more zesty and festive, so why not? So this is the all-American hot dog plus two more ingredients, the mayonnaise and the tomatoes. So the way I like to do this, so I like to put the mayonnaise on one side of the bun, the ketchup on the other side of the bun, and then the mustard, I always do the squiggly line. In my opinion, that's how it's got to be. So first the mayonnaise. Thanks for watching, guys. That's how easy it was. And when you make it with love like that, I mean, every bite was just so good. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.